Hello everyone, I am Onat from Arksoft. Today I'll be demonstrating what can happen if we download files from websites with unknown or untrusted sources. For this purpose, I will first create a backdoor which operates on reverse TCP. Then I will send it to the target, and when the target runs, what happens we will see together. Okay, let's first create our backdoor using MSF Venom. I already created the command, prepared the command. Let me explain these things. I will first start with my payload, which is Metropredator reverse TCP, and my listen port will be 1234. My listening host will be this one, which is my IP address of my Kali machine. The extension for the backdoor will be egg.exe, and the name of it will be this one. So I'm running it. It may take a while, but I'll be back when it finishes. Okay, it finished, and as you can see, we have this file here. It is our backdoor, which uses reverse TCP. Okay, I'm putting it into the official installation folder. Let's say replace all. Okay, right now it's inside. So I will archive it to make it easy to send it to the target. Create, and yes, right now we can see the archive that we created. Inside it we have a backdoor. Okay, let's serve an HTTP server and turn back to our target machine, which is just opened. And from here, I will first traverse to Google Chrome. Okay, so let's open Google Chrome and go to our web server to download the Office installation folder. So I'm downloading this one. Let's show it in folder. By the way, we can close this, and let's extract it here. Okay, and it opened. Let's open from here. We have this one inside. Okay, I will leave it as it is and turn back to my Kali. We don't need this web server anymore. I'll clear my page and open MSF console to start listening my connection. I'll be back when it opens. Okay, it opened. I will use exploit multi handler, and I will set my payload as Windows. Okay, Windows Metropredator reverse TCP, and I'm saying show options. Okay, so I will set lhost as my IP address of my Kali machine. 0.2.15 it was, I guess, yes. And I will set my L port as 1234. Okay, I'm checking my options again. Right now you can see they are set, so I'm running it. Currently we are listening, so I'm turning back to my Windows machine. And okay, at this point let me explain you something. And in real life, the targets generally, the people generally open this one. But in more advanced scenarios, unlike in real life, hackers behave in a more advanced way. For demonstration purposes, I just made an easy setup. They put the same icon, which is the icon of Office setup, to this one too. This is the backdoor, by the way. To their backdoor too, to make it more reliable. And generally targets first open this one. When they see nothing happens, they click to this one. Okay, let's open this one as the target and see what happens. As you can see, nothing happened. And as a target, we can continue our installation with this one. But let's turn back to our Kali machine. We can close this one too, by the way. And as you can see, we got a Meterpreter session. If we write sysinfo, we can get the related information. And right now we hacked the computer, the target. Okay, to conclude with, today we learned how hackers sneak into computers using backdoors. So this is a real scenario, by the way. Maybe some of the configurations may change, but this happens in real life. So what we can do about it? A chain is as strong as its weakest part. So in these scenarios, generally the weakest part is humans. And the solution for these kind of problems should really start from teaching, like training, giving trainings in these fields. So in order to solve this, we here in Arksoft offer you cybersecurity awareness trainings. Along with it, we also provide Microsoft Windows hardening. The difference between Arksoft and other companies is that we fully implement layered architecture throughout hardening process. The advantage of it is that even if it's the worst scenario, I mean that like the hacker hacked one of your client computers. Even if it's the case, the hacker cannot vertically escalate privilege. As a result, cannot reach the domain controller or other important points. Like to exemplify from Active Directory, I mean. So, it reduces the level of destruction that the hacker can perform. And okay, that's all from me for today. Thank you all for listening to me. See you.